Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the demon that is in you. So, what many people are not realizing is that when you keep giving the fault of your unhappiness to all the circumstances around you or people around you, you are falling victim of a demon that is inside yourself. We are responsible for our own happiness. Giving the fault constantly to other people is a demon. I see people living their own life, living their own reality with a length looking for something or someone to give the fault of their own unhappiness. And that is a demon, guys. You are responsible for your happiness. If you're not happy, you can rack up your thing and go away. Change work, change friends, stay alone, whatever. But you cannot think that all your issues come from other people, because that is a demon itself. Many people that I counsel, I see this behavior and I am wondering, what do you need to snap out of it? If you don't like your job, you change job. If every job that you change you find the same issues, then the issues are in you. If you see a person and a person make you feel unhappy, if a person create a specific reaction in you, the issue is yours. One of my ability is that I am a mirror. One of my superpower, one of my psychic ability is the fact that I am a mirror. Many people look at me and they feel threatened, they feel jealous, or they want to point out something, or they feel entitled to tell me something. And in reality is that I am happy and my only mission is to empower and help people. So in the beginning of my life, I was thinking, oh my God, how are so many people are so jealous of me? Just because I'm happy, people get upset because I'm happy. Just because I'm secure of myself, people point out of the fact that I'm too secure of myself or whatever. And in reality, it's because I mirror their own issues. We need to recognize that we are the one responsible for our happiness. And when we recognize that, we need to accept the fact that our happiness does not depend from circumstances or other people. And when you feel threatened by people, or when you think that the cause of all your issues come always from the outside, you are lying to yourself. Anything that you don't like, you can peacefully let it go. So when you don't like that job, you think that people are taking advantage of you, you can leave that job. If you have friends that doesn't treat you right, you can leave them and make others. If you don't like your town, you can pack your thing and move somewhere else. If you don't like your partner, you can dump him, dump her, and move somewhere and move to another person. If you do all of those things and then the issues start again, you still think that you are unhappy for the way they treat you at work, you still think that you see people that are happy or secure of themselves, or people succeeding and you feel threatened, jealous, envy, greedy, it's clear that the issue comes from inside you. And taking a deep breath and looking at yourself in the mirror, and going after your real happiness, and stop creating dramas with the people around you, you will notice the difference. You need to be honest with yourself and accept the fact that maybe for a long time you have been the one creating issues. I have been attacked in so many ways, like writing for stupid things, like people get angry at me because I'm happy. People get angry at me because I wrote one sentence and people want to attack you. And it makes me laugh, the fact that we are not able to recognize when the toxicity is inside us. We have to be humble enough to realize that yes, it's true, there is evil outside. Yes, it's true, sometimes we have people that control us. Yes, it's true, sometimes we are victim of brainwashing technique of getting us become like a people pleaser, and we have to stand up for ourselves. But at the same time, we need to be humble enough to recognize that there are many occasions in which we are creating toxicity around us. It's not possible that we are always the victim of something. And in the same way, it's not possible that we are always perfect and right. Like, this world is a duality. Sometimes we have been the good, sometimes we have been the bad, and it's okay. Sometimes we were being abused, sometimes we were the people pleaser, we were the victim, and sometimes we were the one making up all the stuff. We were the one creating problem. We were the one never happy, and always finding a way to give the fault to the surrounding. Oh, but it's for this, oh, but it's for that, no, but it's her, oh, it's him, it's the work. We need to be humble, we need to be honest. Sometimes we've been the victim of circumstances and we had to learn how to stand up and defend ourselves. Sometimes we are the toxic, the one that creates trouble where there are none, the one who see the threat and competition, that feel less than others, that feels that they constantly have to point at other people, and we constantly feel like we are super innocent, super beautiful, and it's just the rest of the world that is against you. And in reality, it's not possible that every single time you are the victim of situation. Sometimes is you have the demon of toxicity inside you, and you state to the universe that all your issues come from outside, and in reality they come from inside. So let's be humble and accept the fact that sometimes we are the victim of something, and sometimes we are the one that creates issues when there are none. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. And if you like my work, have a look at my Patreon account.